So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this lovely, easy go-to Valentine's glam. And honestly, I'm going to go through all the steps, including the base, the eyes, the lips, everything.
About me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
So I'm just going to start by spritzing my face with Botanic's spritzer because it literally just feels revitalizing. Like, I cannot explain how amazing this feels to the skin. And I'm going to go with Midnight Welita. Guys, I know it's been a minute, but I could not miss doing my Valentine's makeup glam, so here I am for you guys. I hope you've all been well and had a lovely start to 2021. Still can't believe it's 2021, to be honest. Like, it just feels mad. I have got a few dark spots, so I am going to go in with my lip tinted under eye around my mouth. And I'm going to go in today with L'Oreal True Match. I feel like, considering we're not going anywhere, lightweight foundation with good coverage is the way to go. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer. So I'm going to use Tan Deep Sand by Tarte. Whilst that sets, guys, I'm going to literally just go in and contour. So I'm going to go in with my LA Pro Girl Conceal. I'm just going to go in with my Beauty Blender now and start pushing product in to my skin. I feel like it makes you feel human again when you wear makeup. For me, it's not necessarily trying to look like a different person or, I don't know, covering any sort of imperfections or whatever, but it's just, I feel like it empowers me, like wearing makeup, and you just feel like you get that confidence within you. I'm gonna now go in with my Magic Mix, and guys, seriously, if you have not watched this video of mine, you really need to, because it's going to change your world. It's just perfect for Asian skin, like I just can't explain it. Okay, now I'm just going to put some and leave it under the under eyes. Okay guys, so I have just done my eyebrows and I've just gone in with my Anastasia Brow Wiz and just kept it very light, didn't really focus too much on it. Now I'm just going to go in with a nude shade from my Huda Beauty Nude Obsessions palette. And just sort of put this all over my eyes. I've not concealed or anything like that on my eyes, as I literally want to keep this quite natural with the eye makeup. This is the palette that I'm using, guys. So I'm going to take my Mario Brown eyeliner pencil, because as you all know, I'm literally obsessed with it. And I'm going to line my lid with it, because I don't want to do eyeliner. I just want to keep it quite soft and nudie. And then I like to use the other side to literally just smudge it out. Going in with that deep shade, just want you to place it on top. You're not blending at this point, you're literally just placing it. I'm gonna go in with the light brown, which is in this corner, and you can use another brush if you want. I like to just flip my brush over, because remember, we didn't do any blending, we literally just packed on the product. Lighter shade of brown, and then take it in all the way into my crease. So you literally want to just now start blending all of this together. And it's in circular motions. When you're on the edge, you want to circle so you're going inwards, and when you're in the inner corner, you want to circle so you're going outwards. And then you may need to go back again and pop a teeny bit of the darker shade of brown just like that. And the same on the other eye. And you have like this really pretty eye shade. I know that I've shown this with, like I've demonstrated this with a different colour previously. And I just wanted to show you, like with a nice brown, you can literally just do a very like soft brown sort of look and it's not over the top. I'm going to apply black to the inner waterline, just on the edge though. And using a really small angled brush, I'm just going to blend that and sort of pull it towards the inner eye. Then I'm going to go back in with sort of like a flattish brush and take the brown from our palette and just apply this on top. And you sort of have created like a dimension all the way around your eyes. Okay, so the lashes are on and I'm just going to basically fluff away this excess which is underneath my eye and take away any fallout that has come along with it. And I do like to then just go in and just press again with a beauty blender, and that just gives you like the smooth finish under the eyes. So I will finish my eyes off in a second, but before I do that I wanted to just do my contouring, highlighting, blush and just get that perfected. So I'm using Hula Caramel as my contour and I'm literally just packing that on exactly where I applied my cream contour. Now with my translucent powder, now that I've done my contouring, I'm just gonna create a cutout. So if I've taken my contour too low, this will clean it up. So whilst that's sinking in, let's go in with blush. And now I'm going to go in with my Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess in shade Solar Crush. And seriously, this highlight is just something else. Like I'm currently loving this. Now let's buff all of this into our skin. So I do pick up a teeny amount of the translucent powder onto my brush, and then I like to just go in circular motions and just blend this into my skin. So now I'm just going to finish my my eyes off. So I like to go back in with a slight bit more of the brown, and I'm mixing it with like the nudie pink that's inside. I like to bring this lower. So I'm just going to mix this goldy pink shimmer that I've got. This is from the Huda Beauty pink sort of palette. So your makeup game is still quite subtle, but then this just gives it that pop. So I'm going to line my lips with Vixen, and you're probably thinking, what colour are you going to go for? I'm going to go for a red because it is Valentine's and hubby loves red. So I'm going to go for red, but I want to contour the life out of it. So I want it to be quite sort of ombre-ish. So I'm going to go in with Vixen. Go in with the red, and then I'll show you how I turn this into like an ombre-ish finish. The red that I'm going to use is Sapphire by Anastasia. So you're going to notice that I've purposely not taken it too high up or too down low. So if you do apply red or like a dark colour and you get it sort of, you line it out slightly, go in with a very skin colour type of concealer. Basically use a flat brush, wipe away any sort of over excess and then clean up. is I'm going to go in with my Morphe lip gloss, and this is in the shade Freebird, and yes, it's a nude, and this is what I was talking about, making it sort of ombre-ish. And I'm literally just going to pat this in the center, just there and just there, and then going in with my finger. So the makeup glam has finished. I'm just going to spray with my Morphe, and I'm just going to go away and now do my hair. So this is the finished look, and I really hope you've enjoyed watching me create my Valentine's glam. My hair tutorial for this video is in a separate video, so if you did want to watch how I created this hairstyle, then feel free to go and watch that video also. I hope you all have an amazing Valentine's. Love you guys, bye!